Everybody, so if you guys want to see my budgeting for October, please stay tuned. Hey everybody, welcome to a new Scar, Oscar my views and files. Welcome and thank you for tuning in. Okay, y'all, I know y'all like where I've been. Well, what had happened was y'all, it's been a lot. I know I skipped September. I'm so sorry. But I am here today. Thank God. It's just been a lot going on. You guys see my other videos, those of you that follow my other videos, but it's not about that today. But I've been putting out that content, and I just fell behind on this content, which was bad. I know a lot of people look forward to this, and I really apologize about that. So please excuse me for that. But I am here, and I'm gonna try to, be a little bit more diligent or consistent with this. Okay, so I apologize. So I hope y'all forgive me for doing this. But anyway, I digress. So this is October. Today is October 1st. So we are planning for the month of October. So I'm going to put these numbers on here, and then we're going to start with the putting when it's payday and things of that sort. Okay, so so I forgot what payday was. Oh, this Friday. Yeah. All right, so that's basically about that. So so we'll do that, and I'll speed this up when I put the numbers on, and then we will come back. Okay, you guys. Y'all, so we are done putting the numbers, as you guys could see here, and I gotta do better with my lighting. I'm still with the lighting situation, but I will watch. All right, so we're gonna use these sticker books here. We have the budget, we have the tiny, we have the productivity, and we have some, I think those are the only three that I'm gonna use, but of course the budget, because we are talking about budgeting. All right, so I get paid on this Friday coming up, so I'm going to speed it up again, but this is what it's looking like. I already put October up here, and I'm just going to get this. I'm going to be I should have put this on this side, the bill pay. I should have put it on this side. Maybe I'll put it on this side so I could take this out and see what's going on, because, and also just to use up, because I put it right here, the bill pay, like all my bills on this side, but I have to flip back and forth to see what's due and stuff like that. So I mean, if that's what I gotta do, that's what I gotta do. So I'm basically probably gonna do that instead of just putting it on this side as well. But that's basically about that. So I'm just going to decorate this page, and I'm going to see what's due, and I'm going to put as much, because I don't have the due dates for everything, but I will try to do the best I can. Okay, so that's just basically about that. So I'm going to get quiet again, y'all, and y'all gonna see me put the stickers on here and go back and forth and stuff like that. I don't want to go back and forth. Let me see. Let me try to I'll probably write it down over. You know what? No, I'm gonna get another piece of paper from back here, And I'm just gonna write it down because I don't want to mess up that side, even though I'm probably not going to use that side. I'm just going to get some paper from back here, and let me get some my brilliant ideas and write down the due dates. So I'm gonna write down, let me see, phone bill. Don't laugh at my handwriting, you already know. Wait, capital 1, let me see. And then, let me see. I'm going to speed this up, and that's basically about that. Okay? All right. Right, y'all, so we are done decorating, okay, and this is what it's looking like here. So let me move that over. I got my other plant over there. That video will be coming up soon after this. All right, so as you guys can see, even though this is a budget planner, I put some like workout like dumbbells here because I'll be working out. I should have put it here too. And also I have an appointment on the 5th, and I have a wax appointment, and I put payday because these are the days that I'm getting paid here out this month, and pay a bill. So I have a credit card bill here, and I put automatic, which is another credit card that's automatic. I put coffee here because I love coffee. I put gold, too busy, a little to-do list, stay positive, a little pin here. This says a budget is about giving every dollar a purpose, and don't go broke trying to look rich, and act your wage. I thought that was cute. So I like this. This has living for the weekend, savings, a pig, and then I have a meeting at work. I have get it done, just some motivational things just for me to, just to be saving and stuff like that. Because saving is hard, and I prioritize. Saving is very hard. You need this, you need a lot of inspiration, especially when you are, trying to save and trying to, do what you're supposed to do. Because if you don't have that motivation or any that type of support, it's kind of hard. So having these types of things, I'm glad they put these types of stickers in the sticker books because it gives you that motivation. So yeah, so this is what it's looking like. I may add some more. I hope it don't look too busy, but this is what it is. You guys know I am a little simple, so I think this is a little bit much for me, but I have to put some more bill dues somewhere because I don't know the other bill dues, so I probably will be putting bill dues. I'll add some other ones when I find out the other, because I know my insurance and my phone bill, so those are missing, and other things as well. So I will do that. All right, so that's just basically about that. All right, and now we're gonna go to the part where I budget for the month here. All right, I already wrote it down. I just budget for the 5th. I won't budget for the 19th yet. But for the 5th, this is for the cash envelopes, you guys. Just to be honest, I haven't really been using my cash envelopes. I have, but I think last month I didn't really do it because it was hard for me, to get the money out and to divvy it out and stuff like that. So, but I have been using the sinking funds envelopes. So this is the amount of money here and things of that sort. So as you guys can see, I can't really tell, but I know like hieroglyphics. I apologize about that. But my cash envelopes, I will put some cash in the envelopes the next time. For the 5th that's coming up. But I didn't do it last time, so we shall see if I'll continue doing the cash envelopes. But I really do like it though. It definitely gives you the it definitely gives you a limit on what to spend, because like I said before a while ago, if it's on the card, I know it's money on the card, I'm just going to be swiping away. So just to have it out in cash, I'm able to control it a little bit better. But I've been doing the sinking funds or whatever like that. It was 1 month, 1 week of the month that I didn't save. I forgot what month it was. I'm not sure. I think it was the last week in August, or the last payday in August, or the one of the weeks in September. I forgot. I didn't save. So sometimes that does happen. Sometimes you're not able to save anything, okay, because you have unexpected things happening. Because I believe I had something unexpected to happen, and that's why I wasn't able to do any sinking funds. So just don't be weary about that. Sometimes it do happen. Life happens. So just don't fret, because sometimes things can happen like that. I know you get distraught and you're trying to save and things of that sort, but again, things do come up, okay? So that's basically about that. So yeah, this is from September, August. Yeah. So and that's basically about that. I didn't do a budget sheet, a thing, but this is my little ghetto grid, not ghetto grid. This is my little homemade grid here, like for my singing funds. So that's just basically about that. So I've been keeping up with this and things of that sort. I definitely will be putting the dates here for October. So since I'm here, I guess I'll put the 5th here and the 19th. Okay. So those are the dates right there. All right. So that's just basically about that. And then the 19th, I'll come back and talk to you guys about that. But right now it's blank. And, I have to look at this to see what's going on, and then maybe I'll come back for the other part of the budget. But this is just basically my budget, and this is what another thing that I want to talk about. I don't like this because it's green, but anyway, another thing I want to talk about is okay, this is the bill pay checklist, and I have to use this more, the expense tracker. I did put wax there. And I have to use this more, okay? I put NA because I don't have any children. But I have to use this more, okay? Month at a glance. This is where you break everything down, and then you put the actual income, total expenses, and the results. I've been trying to use it before, but I've never filled out the whole thing, and I've never been able to, really utilize this. I think this is pretty good, so I will try to utilize this, so when the month is over, I can go back and look at what I spent and things of that sort. This will help you to see where all your monies have gone. So it's always good to write down your expenses and things of that sort. I'm bad at that, so I'm gonna try to do a little bit better with that. Maybe not this month I'm gonna try, but I know definitely next month I will try to put like every cent down if I can. It could be an approximate, but probably not definite, so you can know how much money you spent and what damage you did for the month. So I will do that definitely next month. I'm definitely gonna really go hard or whatever the case is with that, but I will practice and do better with this, okay? I haven't done with month of a glance, I haven't done better with this, so I have to do better with this, okay? So that's basically about that. So with this happy planner, yeah, so I think next year I will be changing to another planner, just to try another planner. I don't want to be just stuck on one planner, so I definitely will be trying another planner. Yeah, so that's just basically it about that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try, I don't know, I'll let you guys know, but that's basically about that. So yeah, so this is my budget. This is what it's looking like for October. And I'm also that's, I was gonna say something else. Again, I have these little notes here as well. So that's just basically it about that. I hope this was helpful for you guys. I hope you planned with me for your budgeting and things of that sort. I know this is probably a little bit short, but I really apologize about that, and sorry for I've been so basically lazy. Not lazy, but I don't know. I guess you could say, yeah, you can say that. It's in between lazy and busy and things of that sort. And being tired, when I want to do it. And also my nails wasn't done, So it was a lot of factors that came into not recording the planning, but I'm back. And I try not to fall off that hard again. I apologize. So here I am. And let me know if you want to see more planning videos. Please thumbs up the video. And if you want me to do any more mock presentations, I will do that. And that's just basically about that. So I hope this don't look too busy. I hope it looks okay. And then I will be back with my regular planning in another video. So I believe I'm gonna put this video up first, and then I'll put my other regular planning video up next, okay? So that's basically it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, any requests, please let me know. And if you have any additional questions, definitely let me know. And that's just basically about that. So if you have any questions, comment below. Then face Marquita1970@gmail.com, and I will definitely reply back to you. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.